Masculine Moments presents Masculine Moment number 9, Eating from a Pocket Knife. If you're eating fruit from a knife, women will want to see that. Step 1. Be seen. Get to the populated part of town. Good. Locate wall or fence to lean on. Before we get started, let's talk appearance. A leather jacket in this case could help. Too much leather might suggest midlife crisis. Let's get ready to lean. Lift up your non-dominant leg. Push the sole of your foot against the fence. Ease your back into the fence. You're ready to cut the apple. Be careful when opening the pocket knife. The blade is very... Hold pocket knife in dominant hand. Face blade towards your face. Chisel off a small piece. For maximum danger, eat apple directly from knife. Be careful. Good. Repeat this process as many times as needed. If you knew you were 100 rejections away from hearing yes, you'd be pretty thrilled to hear no. Keep your head up. Oh boy. Evyn, the great Bambino, struck out. Please, keep your subscription. This has been another Masculine Moment.